What's up, Warriors? Alan here, your brother in arms turned AI entrepreneur. Let's skip the fluff. In the next few minutes, I'll hand you the exact 60-minute sprint to pick a profitable niche using AI, no tech degree, no endless research rabbit holes. If you can ruck, you can niche. First, take 10 minutes to inventory your advantage, your mows, the skills you used under stress, and the real world results you can deliver. Leadership equals team ops. Logistics equals supply chain. Comms equals content ops. Translate your uniform to market language. Next 15 minutes, use AI to generate 10 niche angles. For each one, force the structure, problem, audience, outcome, and a starter product between 27 and 97. Don't ask what's trending. Ask what pain can I remove fast. Now, validation 15 minutes to scan questions, objections, and offers. If people are paying for similar outcomes but nobody speaks veteran, you found your edge. Pick your green niche, the one with demand, buyers, and credibility. Amber goes to a parking lot, red goes to the shredder. In the last 5 minutes, build your one page niche brief. Audience, core problem, desired outcome, vehicle, offer idea, and a proof plan. Then publish your first signal, a post that says, Vets want outcome in time without pain. I'm running a small test. Comment mission for details. DM responders, book 3 calls, or sell the $47 pilot. That's it, 60 minutes. From mouse to market, want my exact prompts and the one page brief template? Comment mission and I'll hook you up. Now gear up, your freedom business is waiting at the mark of the next minute.